Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. As I do. Now I have this advice for when you have unexpected visits, and you already asked for a pizza, but you want to keep some pieces for later, but how to do it without realizing them, and that the pizza is seen with its original form. Well, with this advice they can achieve it, and they can have extra church for later. Let's see how to do it. We take a knife, and what we are going to do are 2 cuts to the pizza, one horizontally and another vertically depending whether or not they turn. We proceed to cut a rectangle about 2 or 4 centimeters depending on the big pizza. Since we cut it as taught on screen, as you can see they already have a quite large piece to reserve it, but we are still going to save another, since now it is seen oval, and what we want is the circular shape. We make the vertical cut, or in this case again horizontal, since we move the pizza, and proceed to do exactly the same rectangle cut to save other pieces to eat later, which as they see are large enough to have a good portion. And as you can see, now you can see that it recovers its original circular form so that your guests do not realize that you kept some pieces to enjoy longer, but still have enough pizza to share. It will depend on the size of this, but I am sure it will reach them perfect. As you can just make 2 cuts to your pizza, you can keep some pieces for you, and you can enjoy them longer, but without altering the shape of this, and that their guests have no idea that it is not complete. I recommend that the already cut pizza put it in a smaller fret to look larger. It is a matter of perception, but that will make your friends or family still have less idea that some chosen for you were kept. The final result is quite obvious, and as can be seen in the video, the pieces that were stored are quite large to enjoy dinner, or for the other day. And as pizza continues to maintain its circular shape, it looks as if they had not done anything. And they can share it with their friends or family without the doubt that yes or not they will have some pieces to eat later. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, give you like on the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us and hopefully they like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.